Hello, Namaste. Welcome to channel Food Trivia by Anuradha. I am dietitian Anuradha and we are going to talk about what today? We are going to talk about something which would be very timely, you can say, in this season. Yes. How are you? Are you facing any kind of aches and body pains? Yes, this is the season of body pain, joint aches, winter. I know. And it provides enough excuse to derail our fitness or exercise goals or any kind of a workout plan which we had chalked out for ourselves. So, if you are faced with such kind of issues or problems, what do you usually do? Do you do any kind of what? Painkiller? Would you take that, or would you be interested in knowing a natural remedy for these kinds of pain which would be taken care of by the natural ingredient which is in season? If you want to know this and more, I would highly recommend you to stay tuned, because in coming section we are going to talk about how to combat with these joint pains and aches, and just be ready for the Christmas and the New Year parties and the coming wedding season. Yes, we are not going to make any resolution about weights or fitness goal on the 1st of January. We are already on the path of fitness and our weight or health goals throughout the year. So, stay tuned and let's go back to the next section. So, the season of aches and pains, joint aches, everything has come now, especially for the patients of osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Also, it's a problem in general for the general population, because if you have any kind of old or new injury, or if you have a lot of sitting job, if you have to sit in a similar or single position throughout the day, there is less kind of a physical activity, then definitely you are going to face stiffness, joint aches and pains more during the winter season. Also, if you have some kind of an injury because of your workout, that also plays a kind of get severe and interfere with your present workout plan. So, if it is not a very severe kind of a medical condition which needs kind of a medical intervention, there are natural ways to basically manage these joint pains and aches. So, continuing on our turmeric tale, yes, we are still on raw turmeric because the benefits are not going to really summarized in single video. There are many more to come. So, I would really recommend you to press on the bell icon so that you will get notifications and know more about the benefits of raw turmeric. We had already discussed a few in the previous videos. You can also go and check out those videos as well. So, today we are going to discuss how raw turmeric really helps in relieving pain of joints or the muscle or the bone pains. So, turmeric or raw turmeric is excellent pain reliever and healing agent. Its anti-inflammatory property is basically instrumental in relieving pain. Remember that anti thing which we had discussed in the first video of the series? Yes, the same thing. Not yet watched? Go and watch. Highly recommendable. So, that anti-inflammatory property, what does it really do? Actually, curcumin in turmeric, again that bioactive, bioavailable compound, yes, that same compound, that curcumin compound basically blocks certain enzymes and cytokinins which leads to inflammation in your joints. Okay, so what is inflammation? Inflammation is a kind of a swelling, just that it's an internal swelling, है ना? So, during winter you also feel that your joints are either swelled or there is a restricted movement of your joints, or there is a kind of a stiffness in your joints, especially during the chilly mornings. So raw turmeric, having it really helps you to combat this kind of a pain. This amazing brightly yellow colored rhizome with its heady fragrance, unique earthy taste and a touch of citrus bitterness, this bhuli bisiri raw turmeric would give you immense benefits you have really no idea. Having it in your salads, in your soups, as a sabji, as kind of a pickle is really going to help you this kind of an inflammation, this kind of a joint pain, this kind of muscle pain, or any kind of a stiffness or restricted movement. So can you really fathom that Mother Nature has actually provided us with the best of the nature's gift when it is highly required, that is in winter seasons, when we really face this aches and pains. Raw turmeric is really available. The powdered dry turmeric is available throughout the year, but you need to understand that whenever there is a certain kind of a food which is seasonally available, then its bioactivity, bioavailability, its nutrient quotient is really high. That's why we had always listened through the ages that one needs to have a seasonal food. So that's the beauty and that's the most potent benefit of having seasonal food, that you get maximum nutrients with maximum bioavailability during the season. So raw turmeric is only available during this season, and it's highly recommendable if you have, or your any of the family member or loved ones have these kinds of joint pains or aches issues. So please have this raw turmeric, and if you have any kind of an experience with it, please do comment so that I would like to come to know about it. Please like and share the video so that we can collectively raise the food consciousness of our general population, of our loved ones, family members, and subscribe the channel again so that you will come to know more and more such kind of a food trivia about the bounty of food, bounty of healing food basically available to us by Mother Nature. On that note, I would say keep trivying, keep yourself fit and healthy, keep all your pains at the bay, and see you all in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.